Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Google account. So first of all, go ahead to your browser, okay? Now let's start looking for Google right here. You can see it. Click on your avatar icon at the top right, and then you're going to go ahead to manage your Google account, okay? Basically, you're going to see the, privacy, you're going to see the data, the security, and everything. Just go ahead and click the personal info. You're gonna be able right here to see your personal information, right, including your phone number and your multiple accounts, profiles, or whatever it might be. You're gonna be able right here to see your your privacy tools. So I'm gonna just go ahead right here and start looking for delete. Okay, delete your Google account. So you're gonna just go ahead and click right here, delete your Google account. You're gonna enter your own password, and then you're gonna start with the process of deleting your account. Read this carefully. It's not your usual yada yada, because you're gonna try to delete your data inside the Google account, and you're gonna be able right here to see the many informations that will be deleted from your Google account. And then if you are sure that you want to delete it, just go ahead and acknowledge that you're responsible to delete that account, and then just go ahead and hit delete, and now you initiated the deleting process. Basically, it will require you a couple steps to confirm via your password, and then you're gonna be able to delete it permanently. So that's been on the comment. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.